Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Niharika Manne, a board certified plastic surgeon. Mothers often come to me feeling like their bodies have become unfamiliar after birth. They eat clean, they hit the gym, but the pouch won't go away and the volume doesn't return. What many don't realize is that pregnancy causes structural changes like Diastasis Recti, where the abdominal muscles physically separate. At Cosmo Radiance, we specialize in true surgical restoration to fix what exercise cannot. The first pillar of Mommy Makeover is the Abdominoplasty or tummy tuck. But at Cosmo Radiance, we go deeper. We perform internal muscle plication. Think of this as an internal corset that brings those separated muscles back together, permanently restoring your core stability and flattening the stomach profile. We then use VASER 2.0 Ultrasound technology to sculpt the flanks and waistline. This advanced technology allows us to remove stubborn fat with high definition precision while being incredibly gentle on the surrounding tissue, leading to less bruising and much faster recovery. The second pillar is a breast restoration. Motherhood and nursing can lead to ptosis or sagging. Every patient is different, which is why we use Vectra H2 3D imaging during our consultations. This allows you to virtually try on different results before surgery. Whether we are performing a mastopexy to lift the tissue or an augmentation to restore the volume, our goal is symmetry and a natural proportion that fits your unique frame. By addressing the breasts and the abdomen in one session, we ensure your entire silhouette is harmonized. Post-op, we apply the PICO 7 negative pressure system. This portable vacuum therapy pulls the wound edges together 24/7, ensuring that your incisions heal into the flattest, thinnest, and most invisible scars possible. You have spent years taking care of others. It's okay to take this step for yourselves. If you're ready to reclaim your confidence, visit us at India's first center to satisfy all 2026 NMC safety mandates at Cosmo Radiance, Miyapa, for a 3D consultation. Click the link in the description to see our before and after gallery and book your slot.